Welcome to Mighty Machines, where precision meets power. From high-speed fiber lasers to automated cutting beasts, watch the world's sharpest machines in action. Let the sparks fly. This is the Btronic Laser, a leading name in industrial laser technology. It's a high-performance laser cutting machine designed to slice through metal with extreme precision cutting and blazing speed. Whether it's steel, aluminum, or copper, the results are always sharp, clean, and consistent. Equipped with a smart, automated cutting system, it handles material loading, scanning, and cutting with minimal operator input. That means faster production, fewer errors, and higher output. The system's intuitive controls and real-time sensors ensure every cut is optimized, down to the micron. From automotive to aerospace, industries rely on the Btronic Laser to reduce waste, speed up turnaround, and maintain flawless edge quality. It's more than just a machine. It's a modern solution for precision-driven manufacturing. The Mitsubishi FV5 5-axis fiber laser takes laser cutting technology to the next level. With full 5-axis movement, it handles complex 3D shapes with unmatched precision cutting. Ideal for automotive and aerospace industries, this fiber laser machine delivers speed, flexibility, and ultra-clean results, even on curved or angled surfaces. A true powerhouse in automated cutting systems. The Espri Photon 5G fiber laser is built for pure speed and unmatched precision cutting. Engineered in the UK, this advanced fiber laser cutting machine delivers high-speed performance across a wide range of metals: steel, stainless, aluminum, and more. With cutting speeds up to 140 meters per minute, it's one of the fastest in its class. Equipped with intuitive controls, real-time monitoring, and a robust automated cutting system, it minimizes downtime while maximizing output. Its dynamic beam shaping adapts instantly to material thickness, delivering clean edges and tight tolerances every time. Whether in fabrication, metalwork, or industrial production, the Espri Photon 5G is a powerhouse in modern laser cutting technology, fast, flexible, and built to dominate. Meet the Mourn Laser, a precision beast that's making waves in industrial laser technology. This fiber laser cutting machine slices through stainless steel, carbon steel, and aluminum like a hot knife through butter. With blazing speed, razor-sharp accuracy, and a smart automated cutting system, it's built for high performance and low maintenance. Whether you're cutting intricate designs or heavy-duty sheets, Mourn delivers flawless results every time. Easy to use, fast to run, and impossible to ignore. This is precision cutting made simple and powerful. The Coherent UW120 redefines what a compact laser cutting machine can do. Engineered for tight tolerances and fine detail work, it's ideal for industries like electronics, aerospace, and precision manufacturing. This machine uses high-powered fiber laser technology to deliver ultra-clean cuts on thin metals, all while keeping the heat-affected zone incredibly small. Its smart control interface, consistent beam quality, and stable performance make it perfect for high-accuracy jobs where every micron counts. The UW120 doesn't just cut, it crafts with laser precision. The Kimla Laser HSU system is a high-speed, high-precision beast built for serious metal cutting. Designed and manufactured in Poland, this advanced fiber laser cutting machine stands out for its linear motor technology, delivering lightning-fast movement without sacrificing accuracy. Whether it's stainless steel, aluminum, or copper, the HSU system handles complex shapes with ease and maintains edge quality at extreme speeds. Its dynamic automated cutting system ensures seamless operation even in high-volume production runs. With intuitive software, rigid construction, and unmatched cutting efficiency, the Kimla HSU isn't just a machine. It's a performance-driven solution for modern manufacturing. The MechX Plasma brings raw power to precision cutting. Built for tough industrial jobs, it slices through steel with high-speed arcs and clean edges. With CNC control and rugged design, it's your go-to for reliable, repeatable results in heavy metal fabrication. The CNC 5-axis cutting machine is a game-changer in advanced manufacturing. Unlike traditional systems, it moves along 5 different axes, cutting at complex angles with pinpoint precision. This flexibility allows it to handle intricate 3D parts with fewer setups and faster turnaround. Used in aerospace, automotive, and mold making, it excels where precision and complexity meet. Whether it's titanium, aluminum, or composite material, this machine cuts with unmatched efficiency. It's not just accurate, it's intelligent, powerful, and built for the most demanding tasks in modern fabrication. The Aeroplasma is built for bold, high-speed cutting in the world of sheet metal fabrication. Powered by CNC precision and intense plasma energy, it slices through mild steel, stainless, and aluminum with clean, consistent edges. Whether you're handling small batch jobs or heavy-duty production, this machine keeps pace. Its smart control system ensures tight tolerances, while the rugged frame minimizes vibration for smoother cuts. Fast setup, low maintenance, and dependable accuracy make the Aeroplasma a top pick for workshops that demand performance and reliability. It's tough, sharp, and built to last. The Acurel laser is engineered for speed, accuracy, and industrial power. This fiber laser cutting machine handles a wide range of metals, steel, stainless, aluminum, with precision that's hard to beat. Its high-speed linear drives and advanced beam control deliver fast, flawless cuts with minimal waste. Designed for heavy-duty use, the Acurel system comes equipped with intuitive CNC controls and an efficient automated cutting system that keeps productivity high and downtime low. Whether you're running custom parts or large production batches, the Acurel laser delivers clean edges, tight tolerances, and rock-solid reliability every single time. CleanTech laser systems specialize in contact-free, eco-friendly solutions for surface cleaning and metal prep. Using advanced fiber laser technology, these machines remove rust, paint, oil, and contaminants without grinding, chemicals, or abrasion, just pure, focused light. Perfect for aerospace, automotive, and restoration industries, CleanTech offers precise control, zero damage to base material, and minimal cleanup. From delicate parts to large surfaces, it's the smart, sustainable way to clean with power and precision. CleanTech isn't just cleaner, it's the future of industrial surface treatment. The Longshin laser combines smart automation with high-speed fiber laser cutting. It loads, cuts, and sorts with minimal human input, boosting output while keeping precision razor sharp. The Lingree laser is built for high-speed, high-precision cutting across steel, aluminum, and other metals. Powered by advanced fiber laser technology, it delivers fast, clean cuts with tight tolerances. With CNC control and smart automation, it's ideal for manufacturers who need speed without sacrificing quality. The Bodor laser blends sleek design with cutting-edge fiber laser technology to deliver fast, ultra-precise metal cutting. From thin sheets to thick plates, it handles it all with clean edges and minimal waste. With intelligent automation and user-friendly controls, Bodor is perfect for smart, high-output production. The Gua Laser delivers industrial power and precision with its large format fiber laser cutting system. Designed for heavy-duty use, it features a fully enclosed build, intelligent controls, and a cutting area up to 2,500 by 6,000 millimeters, perfect for oversized metal sheets. Equipped with a high-pressure gas assist, it slices through stainless steel and carbon steel with clean, sharp edges and minimal slag. The beam laser is built for precision and speed, cutting through metal sheets with high-powered fiber laser technology. Its compact design and CNC control make it perfect for workshops that need accuracy without bulk. Fast setup, clean cuts, and reliable performance. Beam laser gets the job done every time. The Boong Laser brings industrial-grade precision to modern metal fabrication. Powered by advanced fiber laser technology, it cuts through stainless steel, carbon steel, and aluminum with ease, delivering smooth edges and tight tolerances on every pass. Equipped with intelligent CNC control and a robust frame, Boong ensures stable performance, even during long production runs. Its high-speed operation, low energy consumption, and minimal maintenance make it ideal for factories aiming to scale efficiently. From custom jobs to bulk production, the Boong Laser offers the perfect blend of speed, accuracy, and durability, making it a reliable asset in any workshop. The TruLaser 7040 from Trum is a powerhouse in high-performance fiber laser cutting. Designed for oversized sheets and heavy-duty production, it delivers extreme precision at high speeds, perfect for complex industrial parts. With dynamic twin-head cutting, intelligent automation, and robust build quality, it handles large-format jobs effortlessly. When precision meets power, the TruLaser 7040 leads the way. The Star Engineer's laser system is built for precision, power, and performance. Designed for both light and heavy metal cutting, it uses advanced fiber laser technology to deliver sharp, accurate results with minimal waste. Whether you're working with stainless steel, aluminum, or mild steel, it handles the job with consistent quality. With CNC control and smart automation, it ensures fast setup, reliable operation, and smooth production flow. Ideal for fabrication shops and industrial units, Star Engineers combines durable build quality with efficient performance, making it a trusted name in laser cutting technology. The UpGole CNC laser is a smart solution for modern metalworking. Powered by high-speed fiber laser technology, it delivers clean, precise cuts on steel, aluminum, brass, and more. With advanced CNC control and a user-friendly interface, it's designed to boost productivity while reducing errors and waste. Ideal for small to mid-scale workshops, the UpGole system offers stable performance, low maintenance, and high accuracy, even on complex shapes. Whether you're crafting parts or scaling up production, UpGole CNC machinery brings reliability, efficiency, and cutting-edge tech to every job. The Dexel Laser is a powerful all-in-one machine for both cutting and engraving. From wood and acrylic to leather and metal, it delivers clean edges and sharp detail with ease. Using advanced fiber laser technology and smart CNC controls, it's perfect for crafts, signage, and small-scale production. Fast, precise, and easy to use, the Dexel Laser helps you create professional results without the complexity, making it a top choice for makers and workshops alike. The Mazak Laser from Yamazaki Mazak Corporation delivers precision and performance trusted by global manufacturers. Using advanced fiber laser technology, it cuts through steel, aluminum, and alloys with speed and accuracy. Known for its intelligent automation and rugged build, the Mazak Laser is ideal for high-volume, high-precision production. When reliability matters, Mazak sets the standard in laser cutting innovation. Love what you saw? There's more where that came from. Check out our other videos for more cutting-edge tech in action. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mighty Machines, your front row seat to industrial innovation.